Analog Kid, Digital Man here in the grungy dungeon. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Little proud papa moment. My daughter, digital daughter, if you will. Little Macgyver. She's always on her phone, as the teenage ladies are these days. And her phone mount broke. Kid grabs a bobby pin, one of her hairpins. If you check this out, look at that. Macgyver the f out of this thing. Look at that serious shit. Damn, that kid's smart. Talented, not a worthy dad. It's teeny tiny. Do it best, had it. You magnificent bastards. All we gotta do is just de-Macgyver this sucker. Uh-oh. I need more serious tools. Oh, the things we have to do for YouTube fame. I'm about ready to cut this sucker. Yeah. This. I ain't got time to f around with these. Pull that out. Loosen this sucker up. The nut just fits in there. Super duper. Oh! And we're ready to rock. Hey, are you filming me? I'm filming you. Are you filming me?